In this video I'm going to show you how to use Vicks VapoRub to treat pimples. Having to deal with pimples at some point in your life is incredibly common. An ever popular home remedy for pimples is dabbing Vicks VapoRub on the acne to reduce them overnight. Strangely enough, Vicks VapoRub may help calm down acne flare-ups. Vicks contains a lot of anti-inflammatory properties, which may be the reason why it helps. You may also experience on the skin a tingly feeling when the Vicks is applied. Vicks VapoRub has well-known antibacterial and anti-fungal properties. Camphor and Cedar Leaf Oil are reputed to help skin conditions, treat flare-ups and regulate sebum production. If you have less sebum, you have less clogged pores, which is exactly what you want. The crux of the matter is it seems to dry out and draw out all of the pus and grossness in the pimple. It works overnight, which is a real bonus. It's also great for scarring, facial redness, cystic acne, cysts in general, bruises and stretch marks. You can watch my other videos on this here. It basically speeds up the process of the pimple forming and growing ahead. So instead of taking a week or two, it does it overnight and it's gone the next day. If you find it hasn't gone the next day, then keep applying it for another day or so and you should at least see a good improvement. So what is the science behind Vicks VapoRub and how does it work? Well, there are lots of people on web forums commenting that dotting a bit of Vicks on a pimple and leaving it overnight will shrink your zit by the morning. Some of the ingredients in Vicks VapoRub are known as pimple fighters, so this home remedy does have some pimple fighting qualities. So let's take a look at the ingredients of Vicks and find out why people are commenting on acne message boards and beauty blogs saying that Vicks is a good pimple treatment. Cedar Leaf Oil. This is known as an essential oil. Cedar leaf treats burns, rashes and acne. It regulates the amount of sebum produced by the body. Sebum is the oily substance created by the body, which in turn contributes to the onset of acne. The next one is nutmeg oil. When the nutmeg fruit is distilled, it lets off steam which will in turn become an oil. It's an anti-inflammatory and helps to make the overall appearance of the skin toned and clean looking. It also helps to clear up scar tissue caused by acne damage. Thymol. This is a safe ingredient broken down by a variety of plants. It's a biocide with little or no risk of toxicity. It acts as a natural antiseptic and is a vital ingredient that makes Vicks VapoRub for acne such an effective treatment. The next one is turpentine oil. Most people will regard turpentine oil as an applicant used in home improvement. It certainly sounds as though it's unsuitable for skin application. However, used in small amounts, it's safe as an acne spot treatment and can double up as an effective topical pain relief ingredient. Let's take a look at camphor. Camphor essential oil has a long history of medicinal use. It's used as a painkiller that's applied directly on the skin. Camphor is an essential oil for the skin and is known as an effective treatment for acne. It is also an aid for other oily skin conditions. The bioactive components of camphor are also found in other known acne-fighting plant treatments such as tea tree oil. The next one is eucalyptus oil. Although eucalyptus oil is listed as a cough suppressant in the Vicks formula, it has also been shown to host other skin-related uses. It's been shown to help with wound healing and as an antibacterial agent. The last one is menthol. Vicks VapoRub lists menthol as a formula as a cough suppressant and topical analgesic, but its potential to reduce swelling might be why some people feel that Vicks VapoRub works well on pimples. A small word of caution though, other ingredients in Vicks, specifically petroleum jelly, have actually been shown to make acne worse in the long run. Petroleum jelly is a thick and greasy substance and can easily clog pores and promote further acne. So although Vicks is not unsafe to use on pimples, by plugging up your follicles with petroleum jelly, it may cause unwanted inflammation. However, on the balance of things, it's definitely worth giving Vicks VapoRub for acne a go. Most of the ingredients used in Vicks VapoRub are used by holistic therapists and natural treatments to combat acne and pimples. So the overwhelming view is it has a positive effect on pimples and can definitely reduce them more quickly. I hope you've enjoyed this video on the health benefits of Vicks VapoRub for pimples and acne, and if you have, please give this video the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you like this video, you're really going to like the next video on 27 amazing uses of Vicks VapoRub. Thanks for watching and bye for now.